Hey guys, today I'm going to be crafting something for my grandma and grandpa's 50th anniversary with my friend Chuck.
And then we're going to go this way and then this way. So can you push on it? There you go. Slow. Okay, now you got to lift it up a little bit. You got to go over here with it. Whoops. Here, hang on that a second. Lift this line so it's easier to... Okay, now we got to come back this way. Oh, go around that circle. Pretty hard to do. Okay, keep going. Okay, now we gotta go up here. Now we gotta come back this way.
Could you somehow move this out of the way?
Yeah, we gotta move that. Okay, look out in case it springs. Okay, go up above that one. Okay, that's good. Right line. There you go.
This might take a while. I didn't mean to. It's hard to keep it in the right spot.
Start it up and then touch it. There you go. Get it going and then do it. Okay. Okay.
He's gonna let me try welding it.
Touch on that little crack and then push that button.
Like right here?
Yep. Keep pushing it. Get it back on there. Yeah, there you go. Okay, stop.
Oh!
Until the end gets red hot. Pull it back towards you a little bit. There, that blue flame. harder. Get like a girl. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. I think you gotta come over to right here. Yeah, lift it up.
Then we go this way.
No, we're just making the hard part now, so. Okay, stop. Let me see. Right there, stop. Oh, where'd my marker go? Ooh, that's hard. Okay, wait. It got hard because I put it in the water. Let me help you. Okay, hang on to that. Hang on to it. See, the metal got really hard because we put it in the cold water.
How come that?
Keep going. Okay, I think there's two.
What?
Okay, get rid of that corner.
Start it first.
Start it up. Okay, it should break off now.
There you
Got it?
You gotta get up like this.
Right here? Uh-oh. Right here?
Yep. Give it there. Gotta get closer. In the middle. Right there. Keep going, keep pressing it. Keep pressing it. Okay.
Is that good enough?
No.
I didn't need to.
And then press that wire right down in that crack.
Right here?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yep. Okay, stop.
Where should I do it?
Hold it up.
Right here?
Yep, go. Okay. Something else. Okay, just once.
Okay.
Huh. We can get it back in there. Okay, here. Time, really hard. Hit it one more time. One more time.
Oh, that looks like a perfect door. Oh.
I think we're going to redo it again maybe a little bit. Wait, don't.
I kind of hit it on
Hit
the.
it really hard.
I think
Hit it really hard. Okay. Let me get it lined up. Okay, hit it again. Really hard. There.
Is this the perfect spot?
No, you gotta weld onto this, right there.
Right here?
Yep, give it a try. One more. Take that. Come over this way.
Right here?
Right there. Go. Okay, stop.
I accidentally welded right there.
Oh no. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, stop.
Does that look good?
And just come right, just a little dab right there. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, stop.
Stop! Ooh, got my hair.
Looks good. Yeah, press down harder than that, I think. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving. Okay, better go around the other side.